coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And a quiet evening here in North Alabama. Again, Huntsville, one of the hot spots due to that urban heat island effect, but seeing those temperatures quickly starting to drop off. It's 78 degrees right now in Huntsville, and we're not expecting triple digits tomorrow. We'll likely make it up to around 98 degrees. And if we hit 98 tomorrow, that'll tie for the warmest day of the year so far. We did that twice last week. And if we hit 100 here in the next few days, that'll be the first time since October 3rd of 2019. Of course, that was done in October. What about the month of June? When's the last time we hit 100 in the month of June here in Huntsville? You have to go back to 2012, and we had a significant heat wave in 2012. We did that 5 times in that month, even hit 106 back on the 29th day of June, again in 2012. So it's not impossible, but still impressive to hit 100 this early in the season. There's a look at the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. We've got clear skies, so that's going to allow for temperatures to fall to the upper 60s here through the overnight hours. And take a look at this wide view. Follow some of the clouds and even some of the showers and storms well off to our northwest. You can see how they're rotating over the top of our ridge of high pressure. And you can see that clockwise flow. Look at all the clouds dropping through the Carolinas and then even moving back into Georgia and into Alabama. So we are right almost nearly in the center of that big high pressure dome. And that's what's going to bring the heat through the rest of this week. Looking ahead to tomorrow, again, highs in the upper 90s, hardly any cloud cover in place. And we are starting to see just enough moisture moving back in, enough humidity that we're going to see some feels like temperatures above 100. Now, keep in mind, we were seeing several days with values close to 110 last week, even with temperatures running lower than what we're expecting for tomorrow. But it's tough to get some of that moisture back in place. Go back over the last 3 days. We've had the browns right over top of North Alabama. That's that drier air that moved in behind Saturday's cold front. But just enough of those greens moving into the shoals that I do expect to see some values up to 105 tomorrow for the heat index. Then by Wednesday into Thursday, we get another little surge of some moisture, some humidity. But look off to the north. Just as we're really starting to see that heat and humidity set in, we got another surge of drier air moving in. So this is going to help to keep those heat index values, what it feels like, in check through the rest of this week. But with that said, even if you're tracking lower humidity, we're tracking actual temperatures in the triple digits. So still seeing values up to 105 to 107. A little bit of a drop off on Friday, but back up to 106 by this upcoming weekend. Again, hardly any cloud cover to speak of through your Tuesday morning for that first day of summer. Again, with the summer solstice tomorrow morning, and still just tracking a few passing clouds all the way through your Tuesday evening. Mostly sunny skies will continue. And yeah, we're going to need some rainfall because it's been pretty dry over the last 10 days. And with all this heat building in and sunshine, that's really going to bake things out, but only expecting a trace to 1/10 of an inch for most through the next 7. And you'll notice we're still in the upper 90s all the way through this weekend. Just a slight drop off with more storms by Monday.